welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some lovely autumn themed press-on nails. So we're going to start with this lovely brown colour. All of the links to these products are going to be in the description, so check them out. So we're going to start off by doing one nice even coat on the thumbnail. And then we're going to go for the pointer finger. That's going to be full colour. And then the pinky finger. And we're going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Oh, so these are the tips that we're going to use today. These are the soft gel tips, and I had them from Shein. They're really good quality. The colour there that we used is Sandstorm, and we have Billionaire, but I'm not sure if I used that in the end. Mississipi. So we're going to go with the middle finger and the ring finger, doing a nice even coat of this lovely beige colour. So we're going to get our Bloomin Gel. We're going to pop a nice generous coat on to the nail. Then we're going to use the Mississipi, the Sandstorm that we got on the other nails, and then we're going to have a blob of the Billionaire colour. Changed my mind, we're going to use the liner gel instead. So we're going to pick up a little bit on our brush and then just move that round, allowing the Bloomin Gel to do its job. We're going to pull that colour through, moving it around slightly. Once we've used the three colours and I was happy where the placement was, I popped that into the lamp for a full cure. So then we're going to do one nice even coat of matte top coat. And we'll pop that in the lamp for a full cure, and then we can move on to the next nail. So the process is going to be exactly the same. So we're going to get some gem glue. I thought we're going to jazz them up with these pretty little gems. if I can ever get into the bag. I'm going to pop a few in this tray. And here we're going to pop a little bit of rhinestone glue on the little finger. We'll get our picker upper and we'll pop that on. Making sure it's placed where we want it. And we're just going to use the liner brush just to pull out some of that gel so it's not so lumpy. Then we're going to use our light to flash cure. And then we're going to do the same to the thumb. So we're going to blob a little bit of glue. Didn't put so much on this time. Then pop our rhinestone on. And then flash cure. So now we're going to move on to the pointer finger. We're going to use the liner brush to draw a line down the middle. Well, it started off a little bit off center, but not a problem, we can clean that up. So there we have it, the finished set. So we're going to use the nail glue from Born Pretty. And we're going to try out how long these last. So I'm putting a little bit on my nail. And then we're going to put a little bit on the tip just to make sure that we've got good adhesion. We're going to pop that one on, making sure it's nice and straight. And again, I'm going to pop some glue on the nail. And a little bit in the well of the nail tip. Then we're going to pop that one on. This is an air dry glue, so it dries quite quickly. So perfect for if you're in a rush and you just want to pop them on. And then finally our little pinky finger. Just removing some excess glue there. And there we have it. These just look gorgeous. My absolute favourite at the minute. So we now have come back. It's been about a week, so the nail gel glue has worked pretty well. I've had a couple that have popped off, mainly my middle finger, but I think that's just because I'm a little bit rough when it comes to my hands. I've been cleaning the house, I've been taking the dog for a walk, so I'm not surprised that we've had some lifting. So what we're going to use now is a gel debonder. So this nail glue remover is by Born Pretty. So I'm just having a look at the instructions here. It says to lift around the cuticle or around the nail, spray on, and then within 3 seconds we should be able to pop off. So I'm going to use the orange wood stick just to go around the edges, just to make a little gap so it's easier for them to come off. So I'm only pressing just gently around the nail. Then we're going to spray some of this on. Probably should have left it a little bit longer. I've gone straight in to pop it off. What I wanted to do was just to get a little bit more lifting because this nail was super stuck on. And there we have it. That's come off. So we're going to do next on our pointer finger. Spray it on the other ones just to give that a little bit of time to soak in. And then pop. Straight off. Then onto our middle finger. Straight off. Again, pop. Oh, there we are, pop. And then our last one, just getting in there. And pop, it's come off. So there's no damage to my nails. I've got this set now so I can apply them whenever I want. And it just makes life super easy. So I really recommend this nail glue remover. Just going to give them a little wipe over because they've got some of the product still on them. But they're ready to go. I can put them on a card and put them in storage until I want to wear them again. I hope you've enjoyed. If you had, don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.